Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green Schools. My name is Prajakta and I am your math teacher. So now we will start our lesson number 5, factors and multiplies. So now we will today start our exercise 5.4 question number B. Question number A already done in your last class. Okay, but before starting our exercise, first we will do revision what you had learned in the last classes. What you had learned in the last classes? First you learned about the multiplies, then property of multiplies. How many property of multiplies? 5 property of multiplies. 1, 2 and here I have a 3, 4 and 5. Then after you had learned about the odd and even number. What is the odd number and what is the even number? The number is multiply of 2 is called even number. This number have a divided by 2 is called even number, and the number which is not multiply of 2 is called odd number. The number which is not divided by 2 is called a odd number. Now next topic is our factors. What is meant by factor? A factor number divide the number without leaving a remainder. A factor of number divide without leaving a remainder. Then after finding factors, then factor trees. This is the factor tree diagram. Then we have learned about the prime and composite number. So which is the prime number and which is the composite number? Number which is only have a 2 factors. Number which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself is called prime factor. ऐसा नंबर जिसका फैक्टर क्या है, सिर्फ वो नंबर है, इटसेल्फ नंबर और नंबर 1, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्राइम नंबर. Then next is a composite number. Number which have a more than 2 factor are called composite number. ऐसा नंबर जिसके 2 से ज़्यादा क्या है, फैक्टर्स है. क्या है, फैक्टर्स है, उसको हम बोलते हैं composite number. Now then after property of factors. But before, now we will start our exercise 5.4. But before starting our exercise, first I will show you one video about the prime and composite factors.
Today, let us learn prime and composite numbers. Before we begin, let us understand what do we mean by natural numbers. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on are called natural numbers. Natural numbers can be divided into prime numbers and composite numbers. Before we proceed ahead, remember that any given number will always have 1 and itself as its factors. Now let us start with prime numbers. Look at the examples. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. All these numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Thus, prime numbers are natural numbers that have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers. Look at the examples. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. All the above numbers have more than 2 factors. These numbers are called composite numbers. Thus, composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than 2 factors. Remember these points. 1 is neither prime nor composite, as it has only one factor. 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Now, why don't you list all the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100?
I hope all of you nicely understood about the prime number and composite number. So now we will start exercise 5.4, question number B, first number. List all prime number between the 1 and 15. What is the question number B? List all prime number between the 1 and 15. We want prime number between the 1 and 15. What is the prime number? Prime number is number which have only 2 factors. 1 and the number itself are called prime number. प्राइम नंबर क्या होता है? जो नंबर सिर्फ 1 और इटसेल्फ नंबर से डिवाइड होता है, उसके ओनली 2 फैक्टर रहते, एक तो 1 नहीं तो इटसेल्फ नंबर. So which is the prime number in 1 to 15? So look at there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are the prime number between the 1 and 15. So look at there. 2 is divided by any number? No. After dividing, that number only divided by itself number. 2 के कोई फैक्टर्स है क्या? नहीं. 2 के सिर्फ 2 ही फैक्टर है, itself number then 1 only. Then after 3 also factors have a factor? No. 3 को भी factors है क्या? No. 3 have only 2 factors, that one number and itself number. Then after 5 also have a 2 factor, 1 and itself number means 5. Then 7 also have a 2 factors, 1 and itself number means 7. Then 11 also have a 2 factor, which 2 factors? That 1 and itself number 11. Then 13 also have a 2 factor, 1 and that itself number. Now B questions. Okay, what is the B questions? Prime number list between 30 and 50. Now we will take out the factors of 30 to 50. So which is the prime number of 30 to 50 between? 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Which is 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. These are the prime number between the 30 and 50. Okay. Now question number C. This is the prime number between the 50 and 100. This is the homework for you. Okay. This take out in your notebook. Now question number 2. 67 is a prime number? Yes or no? Yes, 67 is the prime number. And what are the factor of 67? अगर 67 प्राइम नंबर है तो उसके फैक्टर क्या होंगे स्टूडेंट्स? सो 67 इज द प्राइम नंबर. सो 67 हैव अ टू फैक्टर्स. कितने फैक्टर्स है? टू फैक्टर. दैट वन एंड इटसेल्फ नंबर. Look at there. Yes, 67 is the prime number. 67 have a two factors. Which two factors? 1 and 67. Okay. Now next question is 3 number. Which is the smallest prime number? So which is the smallest prime number, student? Anyone know? So which is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is a 2. सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर क्या है? सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर है 2. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which is the largest 2-digit prime number? Which is the largest 2 prime number? So which is the largest 2 prime number? 97 is the largest 2 prime number. Which number? 97. Now question number 5. List all the composite number between the. List all the composite number between the 30, 20 and 30. What? List the composite number between the 20 and 30. अभी हमें क्या करना है? कंपोजिट नंबर निकालना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया था? वहाँ पे प्राइम नंबर निकाला था. नाउ हियर इज द कंपोजिट नंबर. व्हाट इज द कंपोजिट नंबर? अ नंबर विच हैव अ मोर देन 2 फैक्टर. नंबर विच हैव अ मोर देन 2 फैक्टर आर कॉल्ड कंपोजिट नंबर. जिस नंबर के फैक्टर 2 से ज़्यादा निकलते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं कंपोजिट नंबर. सो नाउ लुक एट देयर. Now look at which is the composite number. 20 and 30 between the composite number. 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 30. These are the composite number. Why these are the composite number? Because they have a more than 2 factors. Look at that. 20 have a factors. Yes, 20 divided by 2, 4 and 5 also. Then 21 also divided by which number? 3 numbers, 7 numbers. Okay. Then 22 also divided by 2 11s. Then 24 also divided by 2, then 3 and 4 also. 4, 6 lot of number divided by 24. So 24 have a more factors. Now next is a 25. 25 also have a factors. 25 also divided by 5 and 25 and 1 itself number. Then 26 also have a composite number. 26 also divided by 2. Then 27 also composite number. 27 also divided by 2 and 3 and again 9 also. Now 28 also divided by 2 again 4 and which number, students? 28 divided by which number? 2 and 7 also. Now 30 is divided by 2, 3 and 10 also. So these are the composite number. Now List the composite number between the 30 and 4040. So which is the composite number? 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49 and 5050. These are the composite number between the 30 and 5050. Okay, I hope all of you nicely understood. So now this example number C. What is the example number C? C 40. List the composite between the 40 and 60. These are the homework for you. Which homework for you? Question number C. In question number B, that example number C 50 and 100. And in question number 5, question number 5, example number C 40 and 60. And whatever I teach you, these are the homework. Write in your notebook. Okay, then last period I told you I will be explain which is the more than 2 factors tree. So look at in exercise 5.3 page number 66. Make the 2 factors tree each. Already I explained you that 3 example of 3 factors. So now then I will give you homework. Okay, 32 and 36. So now next is the which of these can have a more than 2 factors. यहाँ ये जो एग्जाम्पल है उसमें से 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स किसके हैं. सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल 30 and 36, that two number have a more than 2 factors tree. Okay, I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.